Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. Today I've got a Chausson motorhome and I'm going to give you a quick run through the DNR 992 Kenwood head unit that we fitted. Let's just jump into the vehicle. Just going to turn it off and back on again, because when I turn it on you're going to see a little touch that we've added. Now we have made this unit, made this little logo that the unit will boot up into. Chausson logo, nice little touch, just gives it a more factory feel. Got the logos up there, and just going to give you a super quick run through on this head unit. Now in this vehicle we've actually kept the steering controls working, so customer can still use steering controls for adjusting the volume. There's a USB location up on top of the dashboard, so the USB inside here, which, sorry, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but it's right down there, so that still functions and works with the actual Kenwood head unit. And if I spin us round to the massive 10.1 inch screen that we have here, this features Apple CarPlay wirelessly, Android Auto also wirelessly, and it's also got the built-in Garmin navigation and DAB. Now, just going to give you a little run around the head unit. This is the home screen, gives you a bit of overview of navigation. You've also got this here, which shows you different sources like radio, Bluetooth, HDMI if you want to add a Fire Stick and have that in the glove box, USB for playing videos off as well. But yeah, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, which is great for integrating your smartphone into and using that in a much more convenient way. The navigation is very popular on this head unit, so you can input the dimensions to your motorhome so that you don't end up driving down roads that you're not meant to be going down because they're too large, or because your vehicle's too large. Haven't ever had any complaints about this navigation, to be honest. People often find it's pretty spot on. The navigation is pretty simple, easy to use. You can go to where to, enter like your address or postcode in the top, where you've got a few different societies where you can pick up different spots of different people. For example, we can go into the camper contact, go into camper, and it will recommend various campsites that we can go to. We click onto it. We can even get a bit of information. Sometimes it will show you a picture of it. It's just showing us the location on this one. And yeah, you've got the ACSI association as well, a bunch more options of campsites and on there, so you can literally just go around and just pick and choose where you want to go and go on the fly, which can be a nice thing if you're not actually deciding exactly where you're going. You can just see what's nearby and pick up different campsites to go to. This navigation is nice because you can set up different profiles. We have it on this one, but you can have different profiles if you're going to have a profile for driving this motorhome on its own, or if you have another profile for towing a car behind the vehicle as well, so you can adjust all the length and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much a brief run through the Kenwood head unit. It's really nice to actually have a rotary control dial, which is often forgot about. Also on these systems as well, just the last thing I'm going to show you, when you're on a campsite at night, you want to have your ignition off so your daylight running lights and things aren't on. What we have actually done on this vehicle is we've actually fitted a switch, if you can see that there. We do it quite often in motorhomes, but this switch will just allow you to flick on the radio without actually having to have the full ignition on. So the radio is now going to switch on, it will come out the speakers, and that means that you don't have to have all the lights and the whole ignition on, which is using a lot more power. We've wired this head unit to the leisure battery, so it can just run off of that basically. But that's it from this video. I'm Max at John Cleese. Thanks for watching. If you've got a motorhome and you want an upgrade, whether it be head unit, speakers or security, get in contact with us and we can help you out. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.